Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on message delivery reports on your phone. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you have to do is open up your message app, then click on your account icon on the top right. Once you're on here, you should see message settings near the bottom, so you want to open up that. And then if you scroll down, you should see advanced near the bottom. So you just want to click on there. And then in the middle, you should see get an SMS delivery reports. Find out when an SMS message is delivered. So all you have to do is just toggle that on. And that's how you can turn on message delivery reports on your phone. Thanks for watching.